Many teachers have of late quit the profession and ventured into private businesses, complaining of low salary pay. As a result, the performance of the government-aided primary schools has suffered. Researchers are now urging government to take action to ensure that primary teachers receive allowances in addition to their monthly salary in order to inspire them for better productivity.
Because on top of receiving low pay, they have now to use this low pay to find accommodation, to cater for health issues. But if they have schemes like insurance, they have allowances for housing, or they have school, the houses, staff quarters, then they will be more motivated. They will even concentrate more when it comes to carrying out their responsibilities in the class.
So the way you appreciate them is give them some more salary. So, and that's one of the issues that's creating the hardship. That either like someone like Medina, we made you. So you're getting more money than we, but we made you. And our children are going to go through them as well.
According to data from the Uganda Education Budget Brief 2022 to 2023 by Economic Policy Research Center (EPRC), primary and secondary education budget has been declining over the review period and projected to further decline to 34.9% in 2022 to 2023, nearly a half of its level of 62.6% in 2017 to 2018. They therefore argue that there is a need for government to increase the budget allocation to education sector to improve access and quality of education in the country.
For you to move government to allocate more money to a particular sector, you need to have researched information, you need to have facts, evidences to show the magnitude of the problem. Because if you just speak without information, then government will think you are just there doing politics. So government needs figures. When you see figures and when they check and cross-check and find that indeed it's true, government gets to move it to act. But also there is that economic part of it. It should be brought out clearly. When we don't invest in the education system, what is the cost to the country?
The current salary structure for government-aided primary teachers, starting with new entrant, is U7, that's between 499,684 and 568,166 Uganda shillings. A senior education officer is at U6, that's between 605,100 and 613,485 Uganda shillings, and head teacher is at U4, that's between 772,512 and 980,211 Uganda shillings. Across the country, analysis of education sector spending shows that Uganda's budget allocation to education is the lowest compared to other African countries. For the 2020-2021 financial year, Uganda spent a half of what Malawi and Lesotho spent on education, with the latter spending of 17% and 16.2% respectively, against 8.2% for Uganda. Pedson Mumbere, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.